Hey everyone, in today's Facebook video, I want to show you how to add an Instagram link to your Facebook. It's actually a little bit hidden in the menu, so I wanted to make this quick video to show you how to find it. And if it's your first time here, I make easy to follow social media and tech videos every single day, so please consider subscribing. So we'll do it on the mobile app. It's the easiest way to get to it. Go to your Facebook app here, and in the center right here, I'm under my profile. Now I'm gonna blur some things. This is my actual profile here. But here, right under Add Stories, just right on top, go ahead and press the settings option to take you to the profile settings option. And we want to edit our profile. So go ahead and press edit profile. And here we're going to slide down. And when we get all the way to the bottom, you should see edit your profile info. Go ahead and press that. And on this page, again, we're going to scroll down till we find contact information somewhere in the middle of the page here. And I want to edit this. So go ahead and press edit. And again, on this page, you see right in the middle, right above websites, there is social links. So you could press the little down arrow here and you could decide who sees those social links. So friends or public. In my case, I'm going to choose friends. Go ahead and press add social link, the text right there, and Instagram. So for my Instagram, I'm going to choose my account here. And I could go ahead and press done. And on the bottom of the page, I could go ahead and press save. So now that's been added right under my mobile number. So if you wanted to add YouTube or your website, you could do so here as well. And then in the same setting under social link, I chose Instagram, but Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, and all these other options are available here. Instagram is owned by Facebook, so that's why it shows up number one. Now here under the Instagram, I'm gonna just choose public here so I could show you what it looks like on a public profile. And now if I press my profile icon on the center bottom of the page, so now that I'm back on my profile page, let me scroll down. And as you could see, right here, it says the page that I manage, the different websites I have, but right in the middle is my Instagram that shows up. If it's not set to public, it's only gonna show up when your friends look at it or whoever you choose in that case. But if I choose to click on it right here on my mobile device, it takes me right into Instagram.com. And it's the same exact profile I have on Instagram showing up here right on Facebook by clicking the link. So it's a great way to promote your Instagram account on your Facebook profile page. I hope you found this video useful. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for easy to follow videos just like this one. And I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.